So good afternoon, students. Today I am making this video to give you information about the textbook and workbook made for BA second semester. Here they have given both textbook and workbook as well. In that book they have given, see here, Revelations second is one of the book launched by Rani Channamma University Belagavi. In this book they have given textbook as well as workbook for BA second semester. It is one of the best book for preparation to prepare the all syllabus. Here they have given the contents. See here, language through prose, language through poetry, sentence to paragraph, the grammar, and the presentation skills through TED talk or TED talk. Okay, like this, all the syllabus is framed in this book, Revelations second by Rani Channamma University Belagavi. So if you buy this book and start preparing, then it will be very useful and very helpful to you people. And it is only about to 165 to pay. Okay, here the book's price is only 165. So this book is available in all the bookstores, all the bookshops. You can buy from any bookstore and available everywhere. Okay, so ಈ book ನೀವು buy ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, and it is compulsory. It is compulsory book to everyone because they have given in this book very important thing. See, all the contents they have given here, that is okay, but in this book they have given the workbook also. You have to work on this. Okay, subject related to topic, each and every topic related questions they have given here. Each and every topic has mentioned here, and on that questions they have asked the questions. So in the middle they have given, here, see here, this is the certificate given by Rani Channamma University Belagavi by your name only. Here you have to write your name, then register number, then your department English, then your college name. Okay, here you have to write your college name. Then here in teacher in charge only, you have to scratch the unique code. There they have given the unique code. Okay, this unique code is very useful and it should be submitted to Rani Channamma University Belagavi. Here the head of the department signs. Okay, head of the department sign. And here we should compulsory put the IA marks, means internal assessment marks. So this is very important book. ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 20 ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಿದಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡು, ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚ್ ಕಾರ್ಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆ ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕೋಡ್ನ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಬುಕ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಬುಕ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ buy this book and start preparing. So thank you very much.